So hi, I'm David Eriksson and I'm the course leader on Customer X together with Professor Sandra van der Merwe. And why should you do this course? Well, for a very long time and since the beginning of business, we've been thinking about how do we get and stay ahead of competition. Who are really being successful at the moment and what is it that they do that makes them so successful? Customer X provides the business recipe on how to win customers at speed, scale, and lower costs. So in this course, we look at the mindset of the companies that are really successful, how they think differently about the world. We look at how they go about and develop their value proposition that makes them more competitive, how they do things faster than others, and finally, how they find a new way of monetizing it and scale it at lower and lower cost as more and more customers come in. So the course is a 2-day in-classroom experience here at the great Trinity campus, and then followed up by a virtual session where you can bring your own business challenge and have feedback from me and the other participants on the course. So no matter if you're in a startup, or if you're in a company that is about to scale something, or if you are in a big existing company that needs to change and do things differently, if you're in a position that you want to learn from the brands, enterprises, peoples, even cities that are excelling right now, and wants the new business recipe to shape your strategy, to shape how you go to market and your ways of working, this is the course for you. So apply now, and here's the link.